Hello, over the next 15 minutes we will introduce you to DataMotion and our secure data exchange services. In addition to a quick overview of our organization, we'll explain the need for secure data exchange services, what they are, and share some use cases and success stories that show how they add value. Lastly, we'll look at the enabling technology, the DataMotion SDX Services platform. DataMotion is an independent software vendor focused on the development and delivery of secure data exchange services since 1999. We are a Microsoft Gold application development partner, primarily serving industries such as healthcare, financial services, insurance, and government. We're an active members of trusted exchange associations, and we have provisioned over 2.5 million users on our services platforms. Marquee customers include Guardian Insurance, Hackensack University Medical Center, and the state of New Jersey. OEM customers include Sonic Wall and Varian Medical Systems. So why does DataMotion exist and why are secure data exchange services needed? Because exchanging sensitive data is a risky business. There are primarily 4 risk drivers an organization must deal with when exchanging sensitive data. The first and foremost is regulatory compliance. Certain personal, financial, medical information must be protected by organizations that exchange that information, and there are stiff penalties for non-compliance. Those regulations exist because there are real security threats to data traversing public networks, and the resulting exposure has real costs associated with it to the data owners themselves, such as identity theft and financial loss. And even when regulation on personal data is not required, organizations have private valuable data and intellectual property that shouldn't be put at risk of exposure. Lastly, the risk of data breach carries implications for the reputation of an organization. As evidence, a large internet technology company's valuation dropped by over $350 million due to the exposure of sensitive customer data. So all of these risk factors have significant cost implications, which drive the need to use secure data exchange services for trusted security and verifiable compliance. So to protect you against these risks, secure data exchange services encrypt, transport, and track your sensitive data as it travels across the public internet. The data exchange can be between individual users or systems, and the data can be from any source in virtually any format, file size, and to any destination or end user recipient. In this way, they ensure trusted security and verifiable compliance for your sensitive, regulated data in motion. Where do secure data exchange services fit best and deliver the most value? Well, in industries and organizations that regularly exchange high volumes of sensitive and regulated information with external clients, customers, and partners. With that as a backdrop, let's look at our secure data exchange platform and services in action. Here's a sampling of 4 use cases where the DataMotion SDX platform and services are delivering great value while ensuring trusted security and verifiable compliance for the organization and their data exchange stakeholders. After a quick overview, we'll take a look at the connected architecture of each of these data exchanges. In the public sector, at the Florida Department of Law Enforcement, SDX services are used to deliver over 1 million FBI background checks to support hiring processes statewide. DataMotion helped the department convert this workflow from a cost center to a profit center, accelerating the processing time and improving satisfaction. In the health insurance sector, SDX services are enabling one of the largest U.S. plan providers to offer HIPAA-compliant mobile app messaging for subscriber support services to over 800,000 users, all connected to Salesforce Service Cloud. The Hackensack University Medical Center has won innovation awards for their SDX-enabled mobile application, which features automated patient enrollment, secure messaging, patient consent, and medical record access. And in the state of New Jersey, SDX services are used to automate over 1,500 secure financial reporting workflows between municipal governments and state agencies, simplifying the process while ensuring trusted compliance and protection of sensitive data. So let's look at how these processes work. The workflow overviews have a lot of detail on them, but we'll touch on key differentiation for each implementation. At the Florida Department of Law Enforcement, they have an SDX Services platform deployed in their own secure data center as required by CJIS, or Criminal Justice Information Systems security standards. Over 1 million background checks are retrieved from the FBI database each year and distributed using SDX Services. In the case of small employers like a daycare, it is as an encrypted attachment to an email. In the case of big employers like Disney, it's by Web Services API. The SDX can deliver thousands of reports right into the Disney Human Resources application. The health insurer mobile messaging workflow uses DataMotion SDX Web Services APIs for HIPAA-compliant mobile messaging on one spoke and secure SMTP messaging to provide native email-to-case spoke to the Salesforce Service Cloud. Mobile app developers produced a working proof of concept using the SDX platform services in just 15 hours. And the lead engineer estimates they saved months of time and some big expense in custom development work. This use case has been in production since June 2016, supporting about 800,000 planned subscribers so far. And every message exchange is encrypted end-to-end and logged and tracked in the SDX reporting database. At Hackensack University Medical Center, direct secure messaging and access to patient electronic medical records in the EPIC system are key elements of their mobile app solution for patient engagement. But a unique differentiator is the provisioning and onboarding capability. Using enhanced services of the SDX platform, their app can act as a virtual notary, validating identity at LOA 3 using snapshots of the patient's driver's license, health insurance card, a selfie, and validating some out-of-wallet questions. So then this information is used to automate the patient intake process and empower the patient with secure communications to communicate with the providers and access to their medical records. And lastly, at the New Jersey Office of Information Technology, they employ the SDX platform as a common shared service across all state agencies to establish financial reporting workflows with municipalities and contractors. By leveraging SDX services in the cloud, they simplified the exchange process with a host of legacy mainframes and data stores, and they were able to eliminate a complex and costly integration engine deployment that was driven by undocumented and scripted processes. And they do this while providing the municipalities with an easy-to-use interface for exchanging files, whether it's a small town using a manual upload process or a large city doing systematic uploads and file retrievals. Now that we've seen SDX services in action, let's take a look at the platform architecture. At a high level, the SDX platform provides APIs, secure protocols, and connectors, which facilitate multiple modes of secure exchange, such as mobile, email, and direct secure messaging. It also handles managed, automated, and ad hoc file transfers, as well as the ability to collect secure data via HTML web forms and encrypted PDF forms. The SDX platform also connects with and across today's cloud services, and also with legacy data sources, applications, and systems. And the services can be subscription-based or provisioned in public clouds or private secure data centers. The platform is flexible, is really a flexible toolkit to ensure trusted security and verifiable compliance for all types of sensitive data in motion. Taking a look under the hood, at the platform's core is a zero-trust secure governed database. This architecture, which uses strong AES 256 data encryption to secure all data that passes through or resides on the platform. The platform supports structured and unstructured data exchange, and virtually any type of data file can be exchanged up to 2 gigabytes. It's flexible in its usage and deployment models and scalable to support millions of users and benefits from time-tested reliability. The platform spokes feature a wide range of connectors and secure protocols, enabling access to virtually any data source and reaching any delivery endpoint. The core is abstracted from the platform spokes, enabling protocol conversion as needed to deliver data between source and endpoint. And all the platform services can be accessed through a comprehensive set of APIs for service provisioning, runtime, management, and reporting. The SDX platform features a standard set of enterprise-wide services for ad hoc desktop email encryption and secure file exchange. It also has an advanced email and file attachment policy filter that can scan all messaging traffic for sensitive information and act on it accordingly. That includes policy templates for mainstream compliance regulations, and it also supports right down to exact data matching capabilities. Enhanced platform services include specialized data viewers, data samplers, and ID validation services. Every data exchange is logged and tracked for visibility and accessible from the Total View reporting feature. So in summary, secure data exchange services are available to deliver trusted security and verifiable compliance to any sensitive data in motion. For healthcare, insurance, financial services, and government organizations, it can be the most efficient way to exchange information with clients, customers, patients, and partners. Thank you, and if you're interested in more information, please feel free to contact us or visit one of our websites.